Okay, I'm going to make this as brief as possible so you see it doesn't take very long to do these. The basic principle is we're trying to get rid of the trigger points. So the steps with the gun, ideally, I always encourage my clients to get one of these. We want to work the muscle short, move it through range, and then do a contract for 5 seconds and a stretch for 20. That's really the most efficient way. So for lower body, these are the major muscle groups that are usually involved. Of course, there's others. So if you have questions, you can call me. So our quadratus lumborum, this muscle here, does this. It does some twisting. So we want to get all of those actions. So to shorten that muscle, we hike our hip. So and if we come in at the side, is where those trigger points are going to be hiding. So I hike my hip and bring it short. I kind of move back and forth, move it through range, and then to do the contract and relax, I hike my hip for 5 seconds, make myself into a C the opposite way. And you can use a door frame, that's always good. I actually like to hang off a bed, then you can be completely relaxed when you do it, not holding yourself up. But however you can accomplish that. This next one I'm going to show is a very efficient way to stretch several muscles at once. So we're going for our adductors here, and our glutes are even at the side of our hips. These are the ones that really cause a lot of back pain. So we can shorten them like so. Like so. So that actually shortens this muscle, this muscle, this muscle, and this muscle all at once if we bring our knees up. This is the stretch. So we can move them up and down to move it through range with vibration on the tender points. Don't shy away from those trigger points. You know how they feel if you've been worked on in a massage. You know what those trigger points feel like. You want to be on those to get them to let go. The vibration will distract your nervous system from those trigger points and make them let go while you move, and show your body it's okay for those muscles to move that way. So, 5 second contract. I push into my arms with my knees. The stretch is like so. Do vibration here. And you're not gonna hurt anything if you're not exactly on those muscles. So shotgun it through the whole area, and you'll find the tender points. If you look, if you find a good one, stay on it. Here, all the way from your groin down your leg, both sides. So you can do those all at once with one contract and one relax. Another one I like to throw in with that one is you can do the contract while you extend your back. Then you get all these extensors in your back at the same time. That's the contract for 5 seconds. The stretch this way. You push your knees down, reach forward. You can reach this way, get your whole back at once. Really efficient. And with vibration, if you have the shoulder flexibility, you can even get your extensors with that one. Glute max. This is another huge contributor to back pain. Glute max is just your big butt muscle. So to contract that muscle, we bring our butts up like a bridge. So that's the contract. Relax, we bring it up to our opposite shoulder, and we do the vibration all along our sacrum, down to our sits bone. Right on your sits bone, it sometimes is a really potent trigger point. So we'll stay on that for 20 seconds at least. Feel free to do it more if you have time. You can also bring it straight across your body. So you can bring your leg up, stretch it over, you'll get the piriformis, all those glute fibers that way. Adductor magnus is this large muscle that runs right here. It attaches to that pelvis here. It does two things. So the contract for it would be the right camera angle. So we kick out with our foot, bring the knee in toward our arm at the same time. In toward your midline, out. The stretch is this. So if you do yoga, the pigeon pose is the stretch for that muscle. You do vibration all along this line, and sometimes you'll find some very, very big trigger points in this muscle that you didn't know were there. That's all for now. As you can see, it wouldn't take very long at all to do that. You could get a really long way with hip, sciatica, back pain. So if you have any questions, call me.